how much is a 30 by 60 metal building with the lean-to. In this video, I'm going to tell you how much you need to invest. Welcome back to another video pack. This is Advil from WolfSteel Buildings. In this video, we're going to be breaking down a 30 by 60 metal building that we did with the Porch. Okay, this building was a weld-up metal building in San Antonio, Texas. Well, it was in Kingsbury, so it's pretty close to San Antonio. Super cool building, a lot of custom features to meet our customers' needs. He works on his cars, and he's got like race cars and trailers, so we had to build a building that would fit his needs. So if you really want to check out the install process, we have a video for that, as well as you want to see the full tour of the final project, we also have a video for that. So check out our channel, you will see them, they're a recent post. So enough talking, let's get straight to business. The total price for this building is $88,715 plus tax, okay? What is included in this project price? This project included the concrete foundation, the fiberglass insulation, the metal building, and the lean-to porch. Let's break it down more in depth. So the building price is $54,281 plus tax. What is included in the building? The labor, the materials, all the doors, the gutters. It had a 20 by 30 porch. This is a full I-beam weld-up building, and it's very heavy duty, and also 26 gauge PBR panel. So this is a very heavy duty building. Additionally, our client picked out insulation, and we did a fiberglass insulation. It also had a white backing, but inside of it also is a radiant barrier with the reflective insulation as well. So this gave an R value of 13, and this was for $10,080 for insulating the full building. For the concrete price, it's $24,354. This concrete was really reinforced and it was special. Our client was gonna be parking like heavy vehicles, having a car lift in there. So we had to do a 6-inch slab, really reinforced, 12 by 12 footers all the way in the perimeter. And then we did 2 internal footings as well to help support that concrete slab. Like all our concretes, vapor barrier, our notch detailing for the doors, our brick ledge all the way around, preventing any water seepage. So all that is included in that price. The only thing that's not included in the price right now is any special dirt or site prep work. That is all custom to your site. So Pat, thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you got an idea what it costs right now in this market to build a project like this, okay? The market's constantly changing, so that's why we keep putting out videos to give you guys ideas where it is. Good news, we offer financing now. So we have 3 financing options for you. If you want more information, give us a call. We can definitely help you. Or go to our website, we got a financing link, and then from there you can get a lot of information and check out the 3 financing options that we have for you. You can finance your whole project. That includes your concrete and your metal building. So don't forget to check that out. Now, if you like this building and you want to get in, customize a building similar to this to you, reach out to us. We're happy to help. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you can continue to learn a lot of information about these metal buildings, so that way you don't have any regrets later on. So we'll see you in the next video.